Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a 1v1 with Munchie and his contenders. By the way guys, the next winner for the gemstone will be announced on next Monday. And yeah, so we just gotta find out where he is right now. Let's see where, yeah, I'll go outside. Okay. I don't know where he is. So he's probably gonna pop up right there.
This is so fast.
Come on.
Alright, so I got glitched. That's fine. Alright. Alright, let's restart it. So it's going to, let's see, 10. It's 10. Go to 1. Alright. Alright, let's get back. Alright, so go. Go again. Alright. So, I don't know where he's at right now. He's probably over on the other side. Or he's probably gonna, please don't pop up, please don't pop up. Alright. I don't know where he's at right now. He's probably hiding. I'm gonna try to sneak up on him. Is he hiding? Oh, there he is. I'm not gonna go. Alright, let's go. Alright, come on, come on. I'm gonna watch over the other side. Come on. Oh, I found out. I'm missing a lot of one-shots right now. But I guess I can't throw. I can only stab when I'm a murderer. So yeah. Alright. It's going to be a 0-2. You know what? Let's just make it 2-5. Because I gotta go soon. There we go. By the way, guys, my autocorrect is not working. So, that's sad. Alright. Does he have camera now? Probably is. So, yeah, yes. Alright. Murder. I'm better at surf, kinda. I don't like murder because I can't throw. I can only stab, so I don't like murder that much. Alright, come on, where you at? Oh, I guess I don't spam jump that much. You're over here, aren't you? Nice shot. Alright. Alright. Hold up. Don't tell me you're AFK again. Well, I'm gonna find him. Oh yeah, man. He's probably somewhere over here. Cause he's not over here, that's for sure. Oh, there he is. Watch this. Oh, that's close. Oh, he's back. Go. Use this. Try over here. Who left? He knew. He's over there. What? Alright, well, he won. Let's say, yeah. 200 wins. I haven't gotten a win. I'm gonna just do, let's see. Disguises. I completed everything. I have this, but I traded almost my whole inventory for Harvester. That's why I got it. I traded 18 Vampire's Edges and let's see, Jingle Gun, Ice Wing, Batwing. I think some of the Ancients too. And let's see, Luger. That's all I could think of. But I did trade more than that. I think I traded up. I didn't have any collectibles at that time. How am I missing my shots? Oh, I was close. Is you hiding right there, bro? Wow. So he's a pro. Maybe that's why I keep losing. Last time I won, but now I guess now I'm losing. Yeah. So let's need one more one. I hate that autocorrect is not working, guys. I should probably fix that in a second. After I'm done with this video. Let's see. So I mostly have stuff in the Halloween. It's not that much. I basically only have two things. Alright, go. I can't feel this. If I lose. Alright, well that's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed.